Looks like we're back. Awesome. Just gonna get started over here. Give me a couple seconds to get set up. Yeah. I did want to change this to 50 here. Try it out over there. This is the first level. I'm going to go to the second level. It's probably enough to change out to me. 64, I think maybe it's this one. Let's go. That 64 was one of these numbers. It's been a while. That wasn't either. Something over here, draw function. And tile, 88 over here. Enter 68 for starters. It might be end position also. Try that out. That's correct. That's too far now. There's 300. That was 200. Let's see if that works. It's a lot of that, just trying to get to the right spot in this stuff. That's good. 200. Alright, so how many button presses does that take to get from there? Gotta try it one more time. Yeah, that's good. I think I'm happy with that for right now. Okay, now I'll go on to, that's level 1. I'm gonna go to the 2 level because there's 0. 2. Hmm. Okay, so we started out over here with the map. I think I was right about to continue it. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. So now we're just going to go over here, draw a whole grid of tiles, and then it's the end state. Oh, I see. So what you could do is you could draw a section of the map and then replicate the same section of the map, but only have a viewing window of like just this. So then as you travel, possibly, you could have this large map that only represents this one map tile. I'm going to see if that's possible. Because the map is basically not going to change between all of these things. It's just going to be one map that's out there. Because this is the 2D level, you're going to be going across the screen like this. So I'm going to try that out first, and then we'll see how it goes. I'm just going to sit here. It's probably a way of automating this, but, you know, I'm only going to have to do it one time. We could possibly select a whole bunch of them and copy and paste them over, but it's not that bad. It's just, you know, filling this out like one time. So yeah, that's probably that section. And then we'll see how, and then we'll see if the other part of it is possible. Here. Fill the rest of this out. I think that's it. Hang on. There we go. Right, because if I go, yep, if I go one that way, actually, draw that one. Yeah, I think that's the edge. That's what I determined last time. And just see how this looks on leveled on drawing on number 2 over there, which is 0 level start. It's going to be drawn at the 2 level start right over here. It says draw items in here. I think this is just copy and paste it over. Yeah, so I'm gonna replicate with this one over here. Fill out all these squares, and then start on finally drawing it. Okay, so then you'll appear as one of these squares over here, and then travel around the board, I guess. All right, so what map tile is this? This is going to be 0, 0, 112. So if I look over, so first I gotta save this. Let's see. Okay. And look at it again. Have it. see what I call the map over here. Oh, here we go. Cell X, cell Y. Oh, that's optional. Layer's optional over here. So cell, you're selling cell width, cell height. 128, 128, so it's probably going to be that. So if I go to 2 level, I probably don't want to do that. I probably want to just start off by seeing if I can draw the map. So map, cell X1. I don't remember what the map was called. $112. Okay. Cell Y. 0. SX, SY. I want to say 0, 0? No, it says 8 over there, but I don't know what SX means. And then 128, probably 128. I think. I'll try it out. Okay. I loaded it. Make sure it still has the map data there. And just erase it. Okay, there we go. It's there. Alright, so I've loaded it, and now I can run. Oh, I might have to finish this level. I don't know if this level had an end, first of all. Second of all, what happened over here? I completely messed this up. Okay. Completely messed it up by ending it. So maybe I had it at... I had 2 things over there, and they were changed. 388. So if I just go back to that, it should fix else. Yeah. I gotta figure out some way of like advancing forward from here. That's it. That's what I gotta do. I had it before where I would set it to the next level. You just skip over this one as soon as it loads. Okay, that's good. I don't know why I didn't see that before, but this is perfectly fine. 388. Oh, and then when you hit that tile, that's it. Green means you're done. That's the end of the level. That's the goal. Okay, now I can't get to the next level. Alright, so it looks like we have to finish this one level before we can move to the next one. Okay, so if button 4 or 5, this is it, overlay state equals 4, and then you're done. So when you're updating, end position. So we have player position. Self.player pause plus equals 2. Okay, so if self dot equals self dot end pause. Okay, that might work. Let's see. 0. We gotta finish the song. See, now this one is weird. Every other one advances correctly. This one is not good at all. I don't see how they're different. Okay. I mean, they're not different, you know. The only difference is we have this thing in here. Okay. So where is... strange. Oh, like some weird overlay thing over there. Okay. Self.player pause. This equals 2. Oh, okay. So that's plus equals 2. End pause is never going to equal that because it's an odd number. So maybe we do 301 because 2. And tile is 88. Unless it's the end tile. Yeah, but still, okay, why don't we just do that and then try to make it 89? Let's see if that fixes the problem. Okay, going over here. Okay, that wasn't it, obviously, but you know, it looks like it loads correctly, which is good. All right, so it's probably 88. This probably has to be 301. If we just keep adding 2 to a number, start at 1. probably count out all the odd numbers. And then change this stuff. And yeah, I think that's it. Gonna end. We're not ready for it yet. And then that's it. Okay. So where's the green tile? Does it show green? Okay, so it's past there. Alright, gotta find out where this green tile is then. So C11. Alright, so what is color 11? Okay. N tile. So N tile is 88. C7 equals self-top player position. Okay. So I guess 300 is what you're going to draw up to, and that's the end of all the tiles. Self end tile. Okay, so then equals 20. C equals 1. Self start position and end position. Tile I so the player advances 2 per, so then it would be 88 times 2, which is 60 something. I could just make it equal to that. End tile times 2. There we go. See if that works. Okay, I'm supposed to go. Alright, let's print. I got a whole bunch of print stuff. Okay, print tab here. We need to know what I is. Oh, we know what, we're gonna know what I is. We need to know what start pause and end pauses. Now we know what start pause and end pause is. We need to know the player position. And we need to know what tile the player is on. Self position. Count equals self dot. Oh, okay, I see. The count is self dot player position. Count is local to this function. I is defined in here, so this is going to be terrible, but if count equals self dot player position and I equals end tile, then all of these combine to mean that you have the goal. So this should really be over here, which is not good because there's game logic state inside of the draw function, but let's see another way of doing this. Right now anyway. So I don't need any of this math over here. I don't need to print anything out. All I have to do is to basically these two together. That one over here. And this one, I believe it's and, unless it's the word A and D. Oh, it says or over there. Yep, and. Theoretically, all these should be true at the same time, because it looks like you're going from tile to tile. So that should be where it happens. We'll see. Right. Yeah, like that one right there. That happens over there because of I equals 20. That has to happen above this line that we're setting something. Because we're overlaying the white on top of gray. That one was blue. Yeah, there it is. That's it. That was it. Awesome. Okay. So then, since we're drawing the map, we have to update for here. I like update. Well, I'm changing it to be update first before draw because update happens before draw, so it kind of makes logical sense to do it that way. All right, so if let me press that. So in order to draw a tile on there, I need either a sprite or something to be placed on one of those areas, one of those squares. I think it's called mget, but I'm not 100% sure, and I'm not 100% sure how to use it either. So I gotta figure that part out. Get. sprite number assigned to a cell on the map. If the cell was modified and set, sets a cell on the map. Oh, to a new sprite number. That's pretty interesting. Okay. So, if we have, let's see, do this. Let's see how it's done over here. Okay. So we have the start position. Ah. Okay. Alright, so if we have the start position, 0. I'm not sure what the end position is, but then we have the player position equals, alright, cell X, cell Y. So I guess we're going to need two things, pause X and pause Y. And now we have two dimensions to worry about. Y. So then we're going to need the player position is going to be 112, 0. Okay, and then we want to M set with a new sprite number. So now we're going to need a different sprite number. So I think I have to save this. Probably going to save it, right? Quit, and load this one, and then edit it, and add another sprite over here, like that, except to another one to represent the player, which is going to be like that. Okay. And then this is sprite number 234. Alright, then save that, and open this up again. Player pause X, player pause Y. And then we're going to draw the items here, but then for that we want to M set. Oh no, it's going to be self dot player pause X, dot Y, and then the sprite number is 254. Okay. Let's try that out and see if it shows anything. Okay. If I move that too quickly and don't wait for the thing to catch up, then probably have to work on that functionality. Rapid pressing functionality. Finally hit it. Oh, that's it. Replace that. Okay, so the update function should do updating up, down, left, right. Handle button release. Okay, so I think let me cut this down. Handle button presses. and N. It's 0, 1, 2, and 3. I'm not sure which one 0 is, though. That one I have to look up. Okay, left, right, up, down. So left. X left is going to be -1. +1. Right, yeah, +1. And same thing for that. It's y plus y, so it's 2 is up and 3 is down. Yeah, I think that should be. Let's see. Okay. Ah, that's it. But now it's like the snake game. Yay! We got snake and we got our own little drawing game. Oop, there we go. Like a little Nokia game in the cell phones. All right, awesome, excellent. So now we have to unset. So you're setting it, that, you gotta unset it. Unless we draw the map first. Maybe that's all we have to do. Okay. Maybe that's it. Just gotta pick this, just gotta run past this one. Okay, there it is. And didn't work because we're drawing the map. We're setting it. Should be drawing it again. Okay, so um, so now what? Now we have to unset. We changed. Draw items here. Let's find out where this thing is getting drawn. 2 level. Level start. Okay, 2 level update. 2 level draw. Okay, that's getting called. So it should be getting called. Where do we go for unsetting? Set player position. Self-up player position. Unsetting. Mset. Get. So player position. Previous. You capture the previous and like the previous one and then update it. Yeah. For right now, that's the only thing I think of. Alright, so this. Let's see. Probably automate that. Sweet. So now I've got previous. Oh, it's the same. And over here, it doesn't matter where I set it. right, let's see if that works. No, it's gonna end over here. There's gotta be a way to clean that up, but I'm not sure what it is right now. Probably make some type of function or something like that. Well, no, I'll have to note this and fix it later. Just to test out this particular functionality. That's it. Almost had it. Because it's setting the previous one, but not all of the previous ones, because not everything is getting updated at the same time. Okay, so if this gets pressed and released, the previous value equals the current value, and then subtract 1 from the current value. But this is always getting set to the previous one, not the current one. So the previous has to be the current in both of these cases. And likewise with the other one. So whatever happens, whatever happens, the previous has to be set. So you could just do that by default. And then you don't have to worry about it. Oh, and then you can go back to the previous way of defining that. And now it's a very roundabout way to get there. All right. Yeah, that's it. Unless only one is going to get updated at a time. And then you have to do something different. Yeah. Okay, so now it works. The map is drawn. Okay. So if the x is there, then the previous one is the x, but the current one is the y. So what would previous... Let's see, you're over here, and you're changing. I can't point it out here. All right, so we're over here, we're changing 1. That one is going to become previous. The x is going to become previous, but the y is unchanged. Previous y was previous x. You gotta make sure it's fixed there, though. I'm not sure. Time for me to go. I'll think about it later. See ya. That's it.